What's up, everybody? This is Tynell from Tingle's Lawn Service. Thanks for checking out the channel. Today, what I got for you guys is I'm going to be putting down some Rubberific landscaping edging border at one of my customers' properties. First time actually doing it, so it'll be interesting to just see how it works, and then because this is one of my customers, I'll be able to see how it holds up over time. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna check that out. All right, so just to give you a look of it, got it right there. The Rubberific edging is 4 inches, comes with pretty much everything you need to connect them, and it comes with the anchors as well. I got about 80 feet of it that I'm gonna be doing, so I think back here I've got like 22 of them. Went over 80 feet just to make sure that I have enough, and in the case that I have to cut one, I'll just make sure I have enough for the job. All right, y'all, so before I get started, I wanted to just give you a quick little view of what I'm going to be replacing, which is going to be this wooden border. It looks like it's been there for quite some time because it's starting to rot in certain areas. So this is what I've done so far. What I will say is the most important part you need to know about the whole process is that these borders come with 2 of these connector pieces that go, one goes here, one goes there, and then this part will connect to this part. What you'll need to do, because it's really hard to push these in there, it says on the instructions to use some dish soap to assist with it sliding in. What I used, because that's all I really have, I don't have any dish soap, had some bar oil for my chainsaw, and that's been working pretty good for me. So just thought you should know that, but so far so good. All right, so the other tip that I have for you with this Rubberific landscape edging is that when you put it down on the ground, you want to make sure that you have this part down, these pre-drilled or slots for your stakes. That needs to be on the ground. Let me show you what I did. In this case, in that case, I put the top part here, and you can see the pre-drilled here. So that's wrong. I have to flip this piece and make sure that that is on the ground, the bottom side, so you can drive the stake in. That's also another problem that you will have with getting the pieces that attaches the border together, because you don't have it positioned right. So just make sure when you put it on the ground that these are facing the ground so that you can have your borders. Yep, I just saved you at least 30-35 minutes. Learn as you go. So this is the end result. I have to say, it looks pretty sharp. Looks better than the old. So I would definitely, if you're looking for a nice border, it looks good, try Rubberific.